Nvidia Developer Conference. New AI chips are HereShares of Nvidia have surged 260% over the last 12 months and into the top tier of the world's most valuable companies. The company's earnings have followed a similar trajectory, boosted by seemingly insatiable demand for the company's graphics processors that power artificial intelligence training and applications. Nvidia is using its GTC Developers Conference in San Jose to announce a series of products and platforms intended to solidify its dominance of the AI market. At a keynote address on Monday, CEO Jensen Huang announced Nvidia's next-generation chip architecture called Blackwell and related products, including the company's latest AI chip called the B200. Follow live coverage here. Key events latest updates. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang on Tuesday reiterated his view that he expects to see the emergence of artificial general intelligence within 5 years, but, he added, it all depends on how you define the term. Most people think of AGI as software that is sentient, that can think independently. Huang's answer suggests that the arrival of AGI might be hard to pin down. One approach, he said at a press conference at the GTC Developer Conference in San Jose, is to specify that AGI has broad knowledge of many fields. Imagine, he says, that software can do very well on a broad set of tests, math tests, reading comprehension tests, logic tests, medical exams, bar exams, GMATs, SATs, you name it, a bunch of tests. If you define AGI as doing well on those tests, better than almost any human being, he says, and you ask, do you think a computer could do that in 5 years? Then answer is probably yes. But he adds that if you ask the question about simply general intelligence, rather than defining the ability to pass tests, the answer is murkier. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang said Tuesday that the company has to focus on both compliance and resilience when it comes to serving the market in China, given tense geopolitical relationships. There are 2 things we have to do right away, he said at a press conference at the GTC developer event in San Jose. One is to make sure we understand the policies and comply, and the other is to do everything we can to create more resilience in our supply chain. Huang notes that the company's systems use many parts made in China. That's just the truth, he says, adding that the same thing is true for both the auto industry and the defense industry. The supply chain of the world is quite complicated. We have every confidence that the goal of the nations is not adversarial. The doomsday scenario is not likely to happen. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang said the problem of artificial intelligence, hallucinations, a tendency for chatbots to sometimes provide inaccurate answers to questions, is very solvable. Huang says the solution is a process known as RAG, or retrieval augmented generation. In that approach, he says, AI is not just answering